Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do hair tutorial. So as you all know, this channel is all about hair and makeup. So kindly get tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let us get into the video. So first of all, I'm going to moisturize the hair with this hair restore. It reduces dandruff. As you can see, it's called protection relief. So I'm going to part your hair into two, from ear to ear. So that upper side I'm going to do the cornrows, and the lower side, lower half, I'm going to do braids one. So guys, I'm using the dreadlock wax to do those one, and I'm going to do knotless braiding. So it's just a first one, thick knotless braiding, that I'm going to start with at the back, and then the upper side I'll do the contour, like you see, the one you call zigzag contour or S-shaped contour. That's what I'm going to do. So now I have parted my hair. I'm doing the one. So for this kind of hairstyle, I use 1.5 packs of 1 million braiding. I cut it and I used 1.5 packs. So I'm done with the braiding at the back. Now I am doing the cornrows, the zigzag cornrows. So I have parted it into sections. So I'm doing line by line, adding small hair pieces. This cornrows doesn't need to be thick, it just need to be small or medium in front, so that you can be able to achieve those S or zigzag kind of shape. So that's what I am doing. So you don't have to mix your hair. Like as you have parted it, you must make sure that you part it with the gel, with the wax, so that it will not mix and trouble you when you are braiding it. So I'm just adding smaller amount of fiber to the natural hair as I am going, as I'm braiding. You can choose to do it without adding fiber, then you just add fiber at the end, because I just want to make sure that the tail of the hair will match with the braiding that I have done on the back. So that's what I'm doing now. So you just need to be keeping on watching the lines, that they have not mixed, and before you braid your hair. And I am just feeding in. So if you see that feeding in is a bit difficult, or if you are a beginner to this style, as it was also my first time, if you are a beginner to this style, you can choose to do it just without feeding it in. Just you do plain cornrow, then you just feed in when the tail, so that it will be equal with the other braids. Have you subscribed to my video, guys? You need to subscribe to this channel, as I'll be posting more about cornrows, about everything about hair and makeup. So you need to join this family to be part of our family, so that every time you'll be watching my videos.